Hello guys, before I start my channel, please click on the subscribe button and the bell and share to other people or your friends. I'm gonna tell you about I'm swimming at the beach and I'm on the boat and about my pet. We're gonna start with my pet. You know what my pet's name? You don't? Yes, because it's too hard to answer. The name is Snowy, but we call it Joey. Joey! Joey, Joey! Joey? Joey? I'm gonna call him Joey, Joey! He don't want to come. I'm gonna call again. Joey! Snowy! Snowy! Joey, Joey! Joey! He just keep on licking his food with his tongue like this. Oh, but he just lying down and keep on licking his feet. Now I can tell you about I'm swimming at the beach. I'm swimming at the beach with my dad, but my mom didn't want to swim because my mom is afraid, and my mom is already showered. I showered at the morning, and then I go to the beach at 4 o'clock, and then after that I shower again. After that, I go on a boat when I'm swimming at the beach, but first I go on a boat and then I go swimming. But I go to the deep place until my feet cannot reach the ground. So I keep on swimming. I wear a floater to make me float, and my bigger sister brought a floater bigger than this floater. Of course, it's too small, like this big. Oh, you can see it. It's bigger than my head. And if you know, it's bigger than my body too. Actually, it's big so many. It's not big so many. That's wrong. It's so big until I cannot wear it. So only my bigger sister can wear it because she's big enough. Now I can tell you again. I'm swimming at the beach. I'm swimming at the beach when I found a thin rock, and then when I throw the thin rock like this, and then it bounced 6 times. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times it bounced on the beach. After that, the second time I throw the thin rock again, it bounced 5 times. And my dad said, "Wow, it's amazing!" And I laugh because it's only so funny. And he is still licking his feet. Snowy! He don't want to listen. Snowy! And again. But Snowy likes to eat and drink. I snap so Snowy can come to me. But he keep on licking his feet. He's still licking his feet. Already more than 4 minutes. Can you hear the sound? No? Okay. He kept on licking his feet, and also he likes to eat a rice and banana. But he cannot eat banana, or not, his tummy will get hurt. Because he's a boy, so I call his. I say his, not call his. The name is not his. It's Snowy. And it keeps on licking his feet. Did you know that cats also dig the ground first, and then they poop on that? After that, they put the sand back, and then if they still can smell it, they put more sand. After that, if they still can smell it, they put more, and then when they smell it again and they cannot smell it, that's done. Also, you can just pray, or when your birthday, you can make a wish. You have a pet, or a toy, or a doll for a girl, or a cat. Yes, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time on my video. On my channel. Bye.